Aaron, Double P here, and welcome back. So in this trading session, let me get my drawing tools up here. So on Monday, January 24th, 2022, we attacked two stocks today. We attacked NVDA, and we also attacked Coles, KSS and NVDA. So let me go over this really quickly. So you're looking at here, you see my margin account, full-blown margin account. If you're saying, why does it say partially delayed data? Well, I've been trading live every day that I've been trading, and you see my results on YouTube. So we'll go over this again. If I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at my screens as I'm looking around here, but stock is in real time. So you got Amex, New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ, all real-time feeds right there. We got equity options in real time, futures and futures options. I don't trade them, so I don't need the feeds on for them. And Forex is real time and others in real time. So everything's all real time live account. I trade live in real time. One of the few traders that probably do it on YouTube, and you see what's going on with my trades. So today was NVIDIA. So let's kind of go over it here. Why was NVIDIA a good trade today? Well, because we drew out our box, and I forgot to draw out the box from yesterday. So let me come over here, and you'll see me doing it right now. This is all live real trading. So let me come over here, and let's go and build the box for you guys again so that you can see it. This may be the first time you guys are seeing this, so just give me a second here. Let me get this built properly. So if you're wondering what is the box, well, I'll tell you what the box is. So I'm going to draw it out for you in real time. So let's go over here. So we want to go back to the previous close. So today's Monday, so we're going back on Friday. We want to look at the last hour price action because the box is all about price action. So we go like the last hour, no more than the last hour, no more than going back to the last hour of trading. We always want to stick in the hour or 45 minutes, even a half an hour, but that's predominantly when you're going to get a bulk of your action for price action. So let's go over here. So we look at what the high, what the low, and what the close is of the last hour. So where would be the last high of the last hour between 3 and 4? It's going to be somewhere, and sometimes the 200 can be the high. Sometimes the 200 can be the low. Lower than the price action. And sometimes the 20 can be the low and the high. So we don't worry about the 20, we worry about the 200 because that's the predominant, that's the big daddy of them all. So that's how we do it. So price action, what was the high is right around here. So we mark that level off right there. Then we mark off the lows, which is already done for me. So the low is right around here. And then we mark off the close. The close was 233.51. 233.50. Yeah, so that's kind of close now. So now that's what we have. So now I'm going to come over here and get my little box. And I'm going to draw out the box. Well, I don't have to draw it out now, so let's come over here. Let's come over here because we got price action for today. And let's drop down our time frame. So we'll go on a 2-minute chart for today. And lo and behold, there's our box. All right, so let me draw out the box so that you see it. So basically, when the stock opens up below the box, we're going short, because that's what's happening with the stock. All day long, it's going to go short, right? If it opened up above the box, we go take a long position. If it opens up inside of the box, we don't take a position at all because it's range bound and it's going to bounce around. So we take a position here, right? So let me come over here, because I sent the trade out to my guys. There's a trade I sent out. It was at 10:11 that my guys received the text for the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. And we took the January 28th, 2022 NVDA 200 strike puts, right? You don't need to see what kind of contracts I told my guys to get, or the limit order for the contracts, plus 40%, minus 15%, plus 40% profit, minus 15% stop loss. I told them it was a swing trade, but hey, when you get into it, and down here is I have a developer that's working on our trading bot, and our trading bot is almost fully automated, and the bot took the trade today. So give me a quick second here. Right, so sorry there, I had to take a phone call. So now I lost my complete train of thought as to what we were talking about. So let me think. I think we were talking about, yeah, so this is what I sent out to my guys. 28th January 22nd. Sorry, 28th January 22. NVIDIA 200 strike put. You don't need to see the limit order that I told my guys to put in or the contract size. So 40% profit. Like I said, it was a swing trade. But listen, when you get this much movement, maybe you don't want to hold on to it for a swing trade. You just get in and you get out. So let's go over to 10:11, and you'll see. Let's keep scrolling. 10:11. All right, so right around here, 10:11. So yeah, there was some chop. You gotta expect that. Look at this hammer right here, and look at the movement. I'm fully prepared for that. It was less than 12%. I believe I told my guys, or even 10%, no problem. And then we got some consolidation here, a lot of bouncing back and forward, and then we just smashed, right? Boom, just ripped and dipped, right? Fantastic trade, and that's kind of when I got out, had enough. So what do we do on this one here? So we close this one here at 10,750 plus 59% or greater. Option was a little bit more than that, so that was a good trade on NVIDIA. Now the second trade is where I really screwed up today. This really kind of burns my bottom. I went after Kohl's as well, and Kohl's had some really good news. So you'll see it here. Oh, and on this side right here, you see the option for, in NVIDIA, you see the option how it hit the high of $7.31. Long out way before that. Should have stayed in way more, but I didn't, right? So Kohl's here, it got a really good move, hit a high of 63. I told my guys to get in right around here, around 61.85, I believe it was. But the thing is when I went to close my order right here on the high, I didn't realize, because I was focusing on the video, because it was the big boy stock, I didn't realize that my order was still stuck in working mode. So it was in working status the whole entire time. I thought already it was already gone and finished, and I was taking profit. But when I closed in the video for a huge gain, wouldn't you know it, right here is when I realized, because I didn't set my alerts. Don't know why I didn't do it. Really ticks me off, but I didn't set the alert. So I took a big loss on KSS. Huge loss, actually. Loss was 5,900, so pretty much $6,000. See it right there, $6,000 loss. I mean, that was totally unnecessary because I was up, when I was checking last, I was up like $1,500, $1,700, and I was just like, okay, I'm out, and it was in working mode, couldn't get filled, didn't check on it, and I'm like, oh God, when I finally checked on it. So that's what happens. So lesson for today is when you go to do your exit order, you try to close your order out, actually make sure you close your order out. Don't just put it to close it, working order to close, and then walk away and kind of leave it. Make sure it's closed. Make sure you hear the noise like ding, ding, it's closed. If you set up your notifications for closing, make sure you physically see it, that you've closed it, it's done, you don't have to worry about it. Because I hate that when it's happened to me a few times now where I put it to close my orders or to open my orders and it's stuck in working mode, and all of a sudden I'm like, well, wait a second. A half an hour later I come back, I'm like, why am I not filled? It's happened to me a couple of times. And then same thing with closing orders, like you close it to close it and then you kind of walk away because you got to go to the bathroom or you got to go eat or something's going on, you know what I mean? I got kids and stuff, and then all of a sudden, same thing, boom. Come back and you're still stuck. And so, lesson, make sure your orders are closed, they're done, over and out. So, big day today, got chopped in half, unfortunately, but you know what? I don't get emotional about it because this is rule-driven, quant-driven, emotionless trading, and we're in and we're out, right? So lessons learned. So if you like this information, somewhere in this video you're going to see a link. Head on over to the site. I'd love to have you. I'd love to have you on board. I want to train you so that you become a really effective, profitable trader. And smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody. This is Double P over and out. A little bit ticked off, not going to lie.